wanted to start an online business but felt stuck by high startup costs? Dropshipping is one of the smartest ways to begin in 2025. The problem most people face is wasting time on random products and unreliable suppliers. The solution is following a clear, proven process. First, choose a niche with real demand, like sustainable home goods or productivity tools, categories that attract loyal, high-value customers. Next, set up a professional store on Shopify or e-commerce. Keep it clean, trustworthy, and easy to navigate. Then, partner with reliable suppliers from platforms like Pocket or CJ Dropshipping to ensure fast shipping and consistent quality. Finally, drive traffic with smart marketing. Combine targeted ads with social media content and email funnels to convert 1